it's Dana Apple with Dapple Destinations here on board the Disney cruise ship Wonder. Who's ready to hit the pool? If you ever take a cruise aboard the Disney Wonder, be sure to bring your bathing suit. Not only is Deck 9 full of water-related activities, it has something for all ages. Aqua Lab is the water park area of the ship. It's designed as a splash fest for kids 3 and older who want to get soaked. This 1,800 square foot space features a small pool with lifeguards on duty. There's also a splash zone featuring leaky pipes, pop jets, and overflowing paint cans that can drench you if you're not careful. There is even a special splash area for toddlers 3 years and under called Dory's Reef. The gentle Twist and Spout waterslide is designed for kids between the heights of 38 inches and 64 inches. That's right, if your child is over 5'4", they are too tall to ride it. The Quiet Cove pool is for guests 18 and older. It definitely has a more relaxed vibe than the rowdy Aqua Lab area. Here adults can swim in the freshwater pool or relax in one of the 2 hot tubs. You can grab a beer or a cocktail at the poolside Signals bar or head inside to the air-conditioned comfort of the Cove Café. This adults-only lounge has specialty drinks, wine, coffee, tea, and light snacks. They also have a pretty cool map on the wall showing the real-time locations of all the Disney cruise ships. Goofy's pool is the #1 swimming destination for the whole family. This freshwater pool and its 2 hot tubs is the perfect place for parents and kids to hang out together. And there are plenty of great options surrounding the pool area to grab a quick bite or something cool to drink. For food, you can turn to Pinocchio's Pizzeria or Daisy's Delights. Or head to Sully's Sips to get one of those amazing Dole Whip cups that they sell outside of the Enchanted Tiki Room at the Disney theme parks. At night, Goofy's pool gets covered and the deck becomes a scene of some of the ship's largest parties, including the Pirates in the Caribbean Fireworks Spectacular. No matter what your age group, the 3 pool areas on the Disney Wonder are the perfect place for families to relax during those long, hot days at sea. If you want to book this trip or anything like it, call Dapple Destinations at the number on your screen. If you have any questions, please enter them in the comment section below. And as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.